Welcome to Fiximers Handrail Collection. Now let's begin with our exclusive Oak Premium Handrail. Known for its outstanding quality, this handrail adds such a touch of luxury to any space, showcasing Fiximers' commitment to excellence. Next, our unique square handrail brings a modern edge with its bold, clean lines, ideal for a standout look in any home. Then we have the Oak Signature Plus handrail, a minimalist favourite with refined, subtle details that pair perfectly with its other components. Lastly, our Oak Essential Finger Joint handrail is a cost-effective option with finger joint technology, ensuring quality and durability. All of our handrails are available ungrooved or grooved to fit 8mm glass, providing options tailored to each handrail, as well as metal panels, metal spindles, or 41mm spindles with an option of rounded or square brackets for glass or adjustable brackets for metal spindles. For sizing and dimensions, please visit the product descriptions on our website. And thank you for exploring Fiximers Handrail Collection. Welcome to Fiximers Baserail Collection, where style meets functionality. Our grooved and ungrooved baserails offer flexibility to create the ideal balustrade design. Our grooved baserail for metal spindles provides a sleek aesthetic with a secure fit and stability, perfect for a modern touch. Our 8mm toughened glass grooved baserail combines strength and sophistication, ensuring safety and a seamless view. The 41mm spindle grooved baserail offers classic appeal and structural integrity, while the metal panel grooved baserail brings a contemporary edge. Our baserail styles include the Modern Baserail in a natural oak and white primed finishes, as well as the Oak Finger Joint Baserail and Pine Baserail. All available in both grooved and ungrooved for a personalised design. With our ungrooved baserails, add custom elements to your balustrade, attach spindles using adjustable angle brackets, or choose square or circular brackets for the glass options. For sizing and other dimensions, please check our website. Explore endless possibilities with Fiximers Baserail Collection.
Fiximer is the UK supplier in staircase renovation components. We take immense pride in delivering the highest quality products with swift, secure delivery and payment. Our responsive and friendly customer service team is always ready to assist you every step of your journey. With our extensive range of staircase components in stock, you can start planning your future renovation. So why wait? Renovate.